Hi friends, I am Dr. Shekhar Srivastav. I am a senior knee and shoulder consultant at Sant Paramanand Hospital, and I also head the orthopedic department at Sant Paramanand Hospital. Now today we will be speaking about knee replacement surgery. But who needs knee replacement? So knee replacement is usually required in elderly patient, mostly in 60s and 70s, who have got advanced arthritis. So the arthritis has progressed to such a state that it cannot be now managed with medications or exercises or physiotherapy. So when it has gone beyond that stage, or when there is lot of deformities, in that stage the other modalities fail, and those are the cases where knee replacement is needed. The patient is having excruciating pain, the patient is having pain even at rest, is having difficulty in walking, climbing stairs, and is unable to do his day-to-day activities. So these are the patients who require total knee replacement. So this is the model of a knee joint. So this is your thigh bone and that's the leg bone, and in between these two bones is the cartilage. The knee moves on this cartilage. Now what happens in arthritis? Normally the cartilage gets destroyed, and that is because of wear and tear. That's an aging process. So as the cartilage gets destroyed, the joint becomes arthritic and it becomes painful. So what is done in knee replacement? In knee replacement, we don't remove the knee joint, we just cap the damaged cartilage. So we give shape to the end of the bone. Over that we put a metal cap. Similarly, we put a cap on the leg bone, and in between that is a special material which maintains the alignment of the knee joint and also provides friction-free movement. So that's what is done in knee replacement. Now there are different types of knee replacement. So you have got total knee replacement, where you replace the whole joint. Like this is a total knee replacement, okay, where we are replacing the whole joint. But there are cases where we will just remove a part of the joint, not the whole joint. So that becomes a partial knee replacement. Now whether you require a total knee replacement or a partial knee replacement, that will depend on the arthritis, the amount of arthritis you are having, whether the arthritis is only in one compartment or is it affecting the whole of the joint. So depending on that, depending on the age of the patient and some other factors, your doctor will suggest you whether you require a partial knee replacement or total knee replacement.